Welcome friends to One Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to describe what is class path and path and how to set the class path and path. Okay. So by name, basically path describes the location where the binary executable are available. Okay. So binary executable, that is means bin. Okay. So if I assume that Java is installed in your system, Java means JDK. If JDK is installed in your system, then you can see the bin folder is there. So if I go to the my computer and then go to C drive, and under C drive, if I go to program files x86, here you can see Java is there. Okay, and here you can see the JDK 1.8 is installed here. So if I open this JDK, here you can see the bin. Okay, so this is the binary executable. Okay, binary executables path. Okay, so generally this should be the C drive program files or program files x86, then it is Java, and if you go to JDK, and there you can see the bin folder. Okay, and class path that describes the location of dot class file. Okay, so if you execute any Java code, okay, here I am showing you that in desktop I have already written one file, that is one folder is demo, and under demo you can see there is a Java file that is also by give the same name demo, that is the Java file, and after execution it produce one dot class file, that is demo dot class. Okay, so this path means where your dot class file is located or present, that is the class path. Okay, so class path describes the location of dot class file. Okay, so it's clear. And here is the binary executable, that is the bin folder. Okay, and if you see in Java, under Java you can see there is JDK. Okay, so JDK basically, in last video I also told you that what is JDK. JDK basically the JRE. Okay, here you can see that is one JRE file, JRE folder is there. Okay, so JDK is the content of JRE and development tools, Java development tools. So in development tools you can see compiler also include there. Okay, so if you are a developer and you write a Java code, and you want to compile that code, so for that you need to install JDK in your system. Okay, so JDK basically JRE plus development tools, and inside development tools you can see the compiler. And what is JRE? JRE basically, inside JDK you can see there is a folder that JRE. So if you go inside that JRE folder, you can see bin and libs. Okay, so JRE basically the JVM and library classes. Okay, LIB, here inside LIB you can see there is lots of classes. Okay, so what is JRE? Basically JRE is the combination of JVM and library classes. Okay, so that is generally used for the to run or to run a dot class file. Okay, so if you have the dot class file, then you can, using JRE you can execute, run it. Okay, execute or run it. Okay, so it's clear. Now the question is how to run the means Java file. Okay, so there is three ways. Okay, so to run a Java code, before run you have to compile the code. Okay, so if you try to compile a code, okay, you need to install JDK, and inside JDK if you see, go to bin folder, then you can see there is two files, one is Java and one is Java C. This Java basically contain the this Java folder, this is the basically your JVM. Okay, means this is not the JVM means it come inside JRE. JVM is some software, okay, that helps you to run a Java code. Okay, so while we run the Java code, we are using the command Java, then the dot class file name. Okay, and while you compile the code, this Java C, we are using the Java C. But here you have to notice that the path of the these two executable file, one is java.exe and another is javac.exe. Okay, so this path is the C drive, program files x86, Java, JDK 1.8 and bin. Okay, so while you are executing or compiling a Java code, you need to set this executable file. Okay, file path, not the file path. Okay, so if you not set, or how you will set, okay, there is three ways to execute a Java code. I am showing you without using any ID, means in your normal command prompt. If you try to execute the code, how you will do. So I am going to command prompt, and here you can see that C user, and I am one folder, that is PL. Okay, so my code is there inside desktop. Okay, so I am going to desktop, then cd demo, there is one folder, that is demo, and here the file I kept is demo.java. Okay, so java c demo.java. So this is the process, and while I am running this code, it's showing that javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, okay, operable program or batch file. So while I execute this command, what do your operating system? So operating system starts searching the command from binary executable file location. Okay, but here it is not present because I show you that the path of the javac is, the location of the javac is C drive, program file, java jdk bin. Okay, so to do that, you have to give the fully qualified path name, as you didn't yet set the class path. Okay, so how you will do? For that, you have to go inside C colon slash program file x86, then slash java slash jdk slash bin, then under bin there is javac.exe, and then you have to write demo.java, and if you click enter, then it will compile successfully. So what I do, that I give the fully qualified file name, okay, fully qualified file location, okay, and then demo.java. Similar way, if you execute this code, means after compile, if you run this code, then you have to give the fully qualified path of your java.exe file. So for that, you have to write that c slash program file x86 slash java slash jdk slash bin slash java.exe, then the class file name, that is demo, and if you enter, then you can see it's giving could not find the load main class demo. Okay, so if you go to the file public static void main string arg system.out.println test program, it's correct. Why it is giving the error? Java.exe and then demo could not find or load the main class demo. Okay, okay, so it's giving the error. Oh, okay, sorry, it's d should be capital. Okay, so demo demo. Okay, so if I enter, then it's giving the output test program. Okay, so this is the one way. So where you can use the java C or Java command with its fully qualified path. Okay, and you can execute the code and compile and execute the Java code. Okay, so this is the one way, and there is two other way that I will describe in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching this video.